Hello, my little buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your Sai ma'am. Today we will learn about water cycle. Water cycle. Okay, so what is water cycle? What is water cycle? The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different states. Okay, so next is stages of water cycle. Stages of water cycle. First one is evaporation. First one is evaporation. Second, condensation. Second one is condensation. Third is precipitation. Third one is precipitation. And fourth is collection. Fourth is collection. Okay, so start one by one. First is evaporation. First is evaporation. Evaporation. The sun heats the water. The sun heats the water in lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. Water then changes to water vapor. Water then changes to water vapor. This is called evaporation. This is called evaporation. Now, second stage is condensation. Second stage is condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor. Condensation is the process by which water vapor, water in its gas form, water in its gas form turns into liquid, turns into liquid. Stage is precipitation. Third stage is precipitation. Precipitation is any liquid. Precipitation is any liquid or frozen water that forms in the cloud and falls to the earth. It comes in many forms. It comes in many forms like rain, sleet, and snow. It comes in many forms like rain, sleet, and snow. Stage is collection. Fourth stage is collection. The collection of water, the collection of water on earth, such as oceans, lakes, rivers, and streams. This cycle goes on continuously in nature.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
So, next is quiz time. Match the following stages of water cycle. Match the following stages of water cycle. Now it's your turn. The first one is collection. Where is collection? Yes. Next is precipitation. Yes. Third is evaporation. Evaporation is air. And next is condensation. Yes, very good.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.